everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video of my learning channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make extreme 3D text without any photo editor. So this is completely free, real and easy. So first just go to the site. I'll have the link in the description, and it's called Text Studio. This is like a site where you can generate your some kind like 3D fonts, and so let's get started. So first just go to the site, and then just go here and just say whatever you want. So it's just like what you want the text to say. Like for example, you want it to say gold, then it'll just have images that will say gold. Or if you want to make it say just like text, it will just have just images of saying the text, like the text you want. So I'm just going to do mine text for the tutorial. You can see whatever you want here, but then once you're done typing your own text, just click enter or click the magic wand here, and then just wait a while till it just takes you to a different page, and then some images of text are gonna appear, and yeah, it's just quite a useful site, and yes, and it's free for everyone. That it also you can also buy the premium if you want, and also if you don't seem to see anything you'd like, just click more text, and then it'll just generate some more text which you may like. And for ones that has the crown on it are for like the premiumers only. And so once you found the text you want, I'm gonna be going with this one. So once you found the text you want, you can edit it a bit if you want. Like if it's like a mistake on the text, you could just go here and just make it say the correct way. So and you can also change the font if you don't like the current run one. You can change the font if you want. I'm just gonna keep mine like that. You can also do the zoom, character spacing, line height, curved text, but you should be a premiumer. Of course, you can also do the rotation, which is really good. The styles is just like if you want to edit the a color of the text. So like for example, I would like to edit this text here to a blue color. Then it will turn it into a blue color, and then once you're done editing your own text, if there's some kind like bits you don't want, then just click on download. Then you can either save it as a PNG or a PNG transparent. So the most useful one is going to be with PNG transparent, and if your computer's not got enough space, instead of actually saving, just click copy image. So just click copy image, then this message will come, and then you can go to any kind of Photoshop you want. Like I have a Pixlr, Photopea or Photoshop. Then just paste in the text, and here you go. And that's it for making your very own text. And hope this video helped. If you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.